lost in it.
Okay, who's your best friend?
Me.
No, your best friend.
Mommy.
How much you love her? Huh?
I don't think so.
I'm gonna tickle you. Who's my prince?
Me.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Who's the princess?
Me, I'm princess.
You're not a princess, you're a prince.
I'm not a prince.
What are you?
I'm a prince.
Yeah.
I'm a prince. No, I'm a boy. I'm a king.
Oh, you're a king.
Mommy, I'm a princess.
You want a princess?
Uh-huh.
Tell somebody that you want her to be your princess.
You.
Oh, I'm your princess?
Yeah.
Oh, so you already have a princess. Chulo. Te amo.
Oh, mommy.
You're just like looking at yourself.